If you're seeing the unable to connect accounts error in Epic Games, don't worry. This is usually something you can fix pretty quickly. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the most common reasons this happens and the exact steps you can take to get your accounts connected properly. We'll cover checking your internet setup, turning off VPNs, looking at Epic Games server status, and making sure your console account isn't already linked to another Epic account. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick gaming fixes and step-by-step guides. Alright, let's get into it. First, let's talk about VPNs. One of the biggest reasons Epic Games may fail to connect accounts is because a VPN or proxy is active on your device. If you're using one, disconnect it completely and try again. Epic's account linking system can sometimes block or fail when your connection looks unusual or comes from a different region. So before doing anything else, turn off your VPN, close your browser, and reopen the Epic Games page or launcher. Then try linking the accounts again. Next, check your internet connection and make sure there isn't another network tool interfering with the login process. If possible, restart your router and reconnect to a stable network. It may sound simple, but a fresh connection can clear up temporary login issues. Also, if you're on a school, work, or shared network, that network may have restrictions that interfere with Epic account linking. If that's the case, try a different network, such as your mobile hotspot or home internet. Now, if the issue still continues, the next thing you need to do is check the Epic Games server status. Sometimes the problem isn't on your end at all. Epic may be experiencing an outage, maintenance window, or service disruption that affects account linking, sign-in, or platform connections. Open the Epic Games status page and look for anything related to account services, login services, or platform connections. If there's an outage, the best solution is usually to wait until Epic resolves it. If the servers are working fine, then the most important thing to check is whether your console account is already tied to a different Epic account. This is a very common cause of the unable to connect accounts message. For example, if you're trying to link PlayStation, Xbox, Nintendo, or another console profile, that account may already be associated with a separate Epic Games account. Epic does not always allow the same console account to be linked to multiple Epic accounts, so this can block the connection. To fix that, sign into the Epic account you think is already connected and review your connected accounts. Check whether your console profile is already linked somewhere else. If it is, you may need to disconnect it from the old Epic account first before linking it to the correct one. Be careful here, because switching linked accounts can affect game progress, purchases, and platform data, so make sure you're using the right Epic account before making changes. If you're not sure which Epic account is correct, take a moment to double-check your email addresses, display names, and any purchase history that might help identify the right account. A lot of people accidentally create more than one Epic account over time, especially when signing in through different consoles or using different email addresses. That often causes linking problems later. After you've disconnected any VPN, confirmed the servers are online, and verified that your console account is not attached to another Epic account, try the connection process again. Sign out completely, sign back in, and follow the account linking steps slowly. If everything is correct, the connection should go through without the error. If it still does not work, clear your browser cache, refresh the Epic Games launcher, or try the process from another device or browser. Sometimes saved session data can interfere with the connection flow. A clean browser session can make a big difference. So to recap, the main fixes are: disconnect any VPN, check Epic Games server status for outages, and make sure your console account is not attached to another Epic account. Those 3 steps solve most unable to connect accounts errors in Epic Games. If this video helped you out, please give it a like and subscribe for more gaming troubleshooting tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.